Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone had a fabulous weekend. It's going to be an exciting week. We're going to talk about the possibility of a $250,000 Bitcoin and what level it needs to break and hold to see that. We're also going to take a look at the medium term for those that are trading it. And we're going to be giving away our $200 free Prime XBT promo code. And that will be from a random video from last Friday's video. I'll be doing that during this video. We'll pick the random comment, and then you get a hold of me in that comment or email me. I'll verify it's you and your real name, and then we will get it over to you. I'll give you another chance to win because we're probably going to be doing a live stream on Wednesday. But anyways, you guys don't want to hear all that. You want to get into the charts. We're also going to take a look at what Bitcoin or what Ethereum could hit if Bitcoin goes to that new all-time high that we're going to be talking about, where Ethereum might go. Stick around, guys. Be a great video. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So, as the time of making this video, it is, what time is it? It is 8:06 a.m. Dow futures are up 111 points. Imagine that. S&P's up 23. NASDAQ's up 185. And NASDAQ, why would it be up? I don't know. Maybe because AMD stock skyrockets 25% as OpenAI looks to take stake in the AI chip maker. Now, before we get into the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, I want to ask you guys a simple question. Just let me know the answer. Do you think AI is a huge bubble? I just can't wrap my head around why a chart would look like this, right? Here's the 2000 bubble. Here's the 2008 bubble. Look at this huge rally here, right? So this is this the end of this? Maybe. Could it go a little bit higher? It could. Is this a huge wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a rising wedge, and we still could get up to that 48,000 range with Dow Jones? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get into it. So this is the trend line right here. This is a long-term trend line. This is from back in 2017. This one is the high, or not the high, but when we touched the March of 2021, right before our huge crash, and then rallied back up. We've hit this. This will be our third time here, guys. I told you guys I was looking at this 126 level, which obviously we've hit now. Now, before we get too excited, we could see a $250,000 Bitcoin if this measured move was to play out, right? There's two measured moves here. I went from these lows here and put the blue line, that high. If we was to hold above this, right? It doesn't mean I want you guys to be clear here. We could just get a wick above and come back down. But if it holds, this trend line becomes support. These are some major targets that are possible. Obviously, nothing's guaranteed, but I know a lot of bulls want to hear about it. So here it is. Let's see what else we got here. So this one will be about 245, 244, right? And that's the measured move using the yellow lines or green lines, whatever color they are. Most of you guys know I'm colorblind. And the blue trend line is the measured move from here to here. If it was to break and hold 225 to 244, that's huge. Now, where would that put Ethereum? We're going to take a look at that at the end, but stick around. We're also going to give that promo code away for those of you that commented on last Friday's video. So we're still showing some major divergence here, guys. As you can see, the high from here to here, we made a higher high in the price action, another lower high in the RSI, being the fourth bearish divergence in a row here. That's crazy. If this thing breaks out, maybe we do see a crazy high Bitcoin, like that $250,000 Bitcoin. Who knows? We'll be keeping an eye out for that. The MACD is trying to flip back up here. Now, will it just flip here, get rejected, and come back down? This is a weekly chart. It is the beginning of the week, so it's going to be interesting to say the least, what happens here. All right, let's take a look at this. So this is the measured move. If we look at this as a falling channel, that was around that 130. And then I gave you guys an Elliott wave count of what that would look like. Also, remember, this was our bearish Elliott wave count. That is invalid because 2 broke 1. So we can get rid of that. Here is our bullish one. And look at that. We got rejected so far at the 1.618, where the 3 wave would be. Now the 4 wave, that's what we're trying to figure out where we're going to go now. If you guys are trading this, make sure you check out the sponsors down below, PrimeXBT and BITUNIX. I'm also going to be releasing another one. I decided to do it tomorrow. I'll let you guys know what exchange that is tomorrow. It'll come with some huge benefits. But those of you that been trading Prime, you know, we love PrimeXBT on this channel because you can trade all markets, traditional markets, crypto markets, forex markets, all from one exchange, and you get huge bonuses up to $7,000 if you use my link below. But anyways, let's take a look at this. So this would be where I would be looking for this to go down to wave 4. If this was wave 3, this was a deep correction on wave 1 here, right? So you're most likely going to have a shallow correction for wave 4, probably down to this 121 to 122 level, and then get another rally up to that 130. That would be a 5-wave structure. That would also line up with this falling channel. So what are we doing here? We're kind of looking for a little bit lower first, and then a rally up to possibly $130,000. That's what I'm looking for now. So before we get into Ethereum, we're going to take a look at, we're going to pick that random comment from Friday's video. It's right here. And are you guys ready? So what you're going to do here, I'm going to do a random comment pick, right? One winner. If that's you, if you're watching the channel, you need to comment on that comment on the video and email me. My email's down below. Also, all my socials down below, our Discord, X, all that's down below if you guys want to follow it. So I'm going to pick a random comment. You need to get a hold of me. I'll verify it's you, and I'll send you the $200 promo code. So this is not 007. You won. Many thanks and best wishes. So I will go to that after this video and check, make sure you comment again on this comment. I'll work with you. We'll figure it out. We will get that promo code over to you. And if you're interested in winning, leave a comment down below and we'll be picking. We're just going to do it again tomorrow. That's what we're going to do. If you stuck around, then you know we're going to do it tomorrow. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the markets. Let me know what you think of anything. Let me know what your dog's name is. It doesn't matter. Just leave a comment. Let me know you're watching, and we'll be doing another giveaway tomorrow. Let's do it. All right, Ethereum. So we are holding above that 43. So here is the super bullish. If Bitcoin is going to make it up to that over $200,000 range, then we could be seeing a $7,000 to $8,000 Ethereum. And why is that? Because if we take a measured move from way back here to where it broke that trend line, it did come back, retested it. That gets us up to approximately $8,000, guys. $8,000. And if we take a look at these blue trend lines here, take a measured move of those, right? That gets us that, what does it get us? That gets us at 7,200. So that is my call. If things remain bullish and we're not starting the bear market, that's what I'm looking for Ethereum. That's pretty huge, guys. You guys know I'm not a huge bull on the markets, but things are, they're right at that point, guys. Like I said, we're nearing the end of the 4-year cycle. So if it's going to do it, it's got to do it fast. It's got to do it hard. It's got to really shoot up. Otherwise, we're going to roll over and continue to the downside. You let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.